Sinshan Bakery Packaging Company Limited, established in 2013, is a professional supplier engaged in research, development, sales, and service of bakery packaging industry. Our main product includes cake board, cake box, cake stand, helical mold, and cookie mold products. We are located in Shenzhen with convenient transportation access, very close to Yantian Port for container shipment. Our associated factory located in Huizhou City covers an area of 4,650 square meters and has 30 employees with multiple production lines and many years of production experiences. We can make sure good quality control and punctual delivery time. In addition, all products compliance with food grade standards. We export products to many regions like Asia, Europe, Oceania, South and North America, the Middle East, etc. At the meantime, our associated factory can provide ODM and OEM service, whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking new designs. You can talk to us anytime. We will always be with you to make the product you want. Some free sample services are very support to clients. We have had a good reputation among our customers because of our perfect service, good quality products, and competitive prices. We warmly welcome customers from at home and abroad to cooperate with us for common success. Please contact us. We are glad to work together with you and finally bring you the satisfied products.